Assalamu alaikum student, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So topic that we are going to discuss in today's class is angle of elevation. So as we had discussed in trigonometry, whenever a right angle triangle is given to us, to find any of the unknown, we can apply saw ka to a. So in angle of elevation, first of all, whatever condition is given to us in angle of elevation case is like a word problem. So first of all, after reading their wording, we have to convert that into a right angle triangle and solve. But first of all, let's discuss what this term angle of elevation refers to. In simple words, it simply refers to whenever you observe you observe any of the object from ground level to upper height, from ground level or level ground to upper height. So the angle that form with the eyesight और आई लेवल इज सिंपली एंगल ऑफ एलिवेशन. मैं कहना क्या चाह रहा हूँ भाई, आप सिंपली ग्राउंड लेवल पे, लेट्स कंसिडर दिस वाई एग्जाम्पल, दिस इज लेट्स से ग्राउंड लेवल and this is a building that is on a ground level and there is a person, let's say this is our person, let me draw the person like this is our person, and this person is actually observing the top of the building from ground level. So the angle that is actually formed with his eyesight is actually angle of elevation. इस एंगल थीटा को you used to call it as angle of elevation that is formed with the ground level. To understand it better, I have a simple visual for you guys. This is simply angle of elevation. There is a lady and that lady is observing a aircraft. So when you look up at an aircraft in the sky, the angle through which the line of a sight turns from looking forward the head, this angle is simply your angle of elevation theta. अब देखिए बड़ी सिंपल सी बात है. In all of the cases that are associated to angle of elevation, examiner give you a detail wording. Let's start with the proper questioning. How the questions are given to you, starting with the following question. The angle of elevation of the top of the hill T from a point A 4 kilometer from the foot of the hill. As you have seen clearly, this is a hill. This is your hill that is labeled by TB. Obviously मैंने उसको एक प्रॉपरली बिल्डिंग के तौर पे आपको शो कर दिया like a building. So this is actually your hill TB and the angle of elevation from A is 30 degree and the distance from the base, this is B, the base of the hill, to A is 4 kilometers. What they are interested to find the height of the hill in meters correct to three significant figures. If they are interested and they are asking you to find the height of the hill, it simply refers to they are interested in solving the following length that I have labeled with it. तो भाई जैसे आप राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल को सॉल्व करते थे by labeling it first that the side that is with the angle is simply your adjacent and this is opposite. So you have to make the relation between adjacent and opposite, and what that relation is simply tan theta. तो tan theta is simply opposite by adjacent. आप अप्लाई कर लेंगे tan 30 degree, opposite is simply O, or you can label this by x, whatever you can, and divided by 4. This 4 is in division, has to be shifted into multiplication. So 4 is going to multiply by tan 30 results in the value of x. So you have made the complete situation and solve it according to its wording. तो अगर आप इसको simply solve कर लेंगे कि 4 going to multiply by 10 of 30, so after simplification this value comes out to be 2.31, and obviously unit was given as kilometer, so 2.31 kilometers will our final answer for the following situation. So hopefully all of you guys are clear up till here. एग्जामिनर वर्डिंग में कंडीशन देगा, उसको राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल में कन्वर्ट करोगे. इन द फॉलोइंग सिचुएशन राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल इज ऑलरेडी बिन ड्रॉन फॉर यू. कुछ क्वेश्चंस ऐसे होंगे दैट आई एम गोइंग टू डिस्कस इन द फ्यूचर कंडीशंस जिसमें राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल आपने खुद ड्रॉ करना पड़ेगा, देन यू आर गोइंग टू सॉल्व ऑन वर्ड्स. होपफुली आई एम क्लियर अप टिल हेयर. नाउ मूविंग टूवर्ड्स दिस क्वेश्चन. चलें भाई, I am giving you 1 minute. Just read the condition, pause the video, read the condition, brainstorm yourself. Then I am going to discuss. Just try to just make the condition at your own. What do you understand? Pause the video and try. Okay, student. Hopefully, you have made the condition. Now, let's discuss what they are saying. At a certain time, the angle of elevation of the sun is 60 degree. Find the length of the shadow cast by a vertical stick of length 45 centimeters. Give your answer correct to the nearest whole number. In the following situation, they have given you a stick. भाई देखो, मान लो दिस इज योर स्टिक, एंड ऑब्वियसली जो भी आपके पास स्टिक आपने ड्रॉ करी है, दिस इज योर लेवल ग्राउंड. दिस स्टिक इज straight on the level ground. They are saying that at a certain time the angle of elevation of the sun is 60 degree. Find the length of the shadow cast by a vertical stick. So let's assume this is your sun right here, and sun is, and the rays of the sun following on the falling stick. So obviously its shadow is cast somewhat like this. इस रीजन में उसका शेडो कास्ट हो रहा होगा ना. द लेंथ दैट आई हैव डार्क राइट हेयर, दैट आई एम डार्किंग राइट हेयर, इस रीजन में इस स्टिक का शेडो यहाँ पे कास्ट हो रहा होगा. सो इफ़ यू कनेक्ट दिस पॉइंट टू दिस वन वाया लाइन as I have connected, so obviously this is actually the shadow, this is the stick that is given to us, this is the stick that is given to us, and obviously this line that we have connected via point ताकि एक right angle triangle form हो जाए. अब हम लिख लेते हैं भाई 60 डिग्री एंगल ऑफ एलिवेशन था, सो ऑब्वियसली दिस पर्टिकुलर एंगल विल बी 60 डिग्री, एंड द height of the stick, the length of the cast of the shadow, vertical stick of length 45 सेंटीमीटर. सो ऑब्वियसली ये तो आपके पास 45 सेंटीमीटर की स्टिक आ गई, और उसका शेडो किस लेंथ का कास्ट होगा, दिस इज समथिंग दैट यू हैव टू फाइंड. अब अकॉर्डिंगली लेबलिंग कर लें कि यार एंगल के साथ वाली साइड will be considered as your adjacent and this is considered as your opposite, and now you have to make a relation between adjacent and opposite. Adjacent opposite का relation क्या होता है, that is simply tan theta. तो अगर मैं यहाँ पे tan अप्लाई कर दूँ तो tan will be like this कि tan theta is opposite by adjacent. तो tan in the following condition is 60 degree, yes or no. तो tan 60 लिख देंगे, opposite is 45, adjacent is something that we have to find. So adjacent wala part has to be shifted into multiplication. A multiplied by tan 60 is equals to 45, or finally the value of A comes out to be 45 divided by tan 60. That results in the value of A. So after simplification, when 45 is divided by tan 60 comes out to be the final answer. तो आपके पास की फाइनल वैल्यू 25.98 आ रही है, दैट यू कैन ऑल्सो राइट एज 26. दिस वैल्यू कम्स आउट टू बी 25.98, दैट यू कैन ऑल्सो राइट 26 सेंटीमीटर. सो द लेंथ ऑफ द शेडो फॉर द फॉलोइंग कंडीशन कम्स आउट टू बी 26. चाहे तो इस कंडीशन को स्टार्ट से एक नज़र देख लीजिए, सो दैट यू गाइज विल बी क्लियर. बस एक चीज़ माइंड में रखें कि आफ्टर रीडिंग द वर्डिंग यू हैव टू कन्वर्ट दैट इनटू अ प्रॉपर राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल and then solve as per the trigonometric ratios, that is sine, cos and tan. Simple. Shall we proceed? Okay bhai, moving towards the new condition. Again just pause the video, read the wording, draw the situation in a form of right angle triangle and try it your own. Giving you 2 minutes. Okay students, let's start. So hopefully you guys have read the condition. So in the following condition they are saying find the height of the pole if 20-meter rope tied to it at the top and stretch out straight to elevation of 67 degree. Give your answer correct to one decimal place. So in the following situation, let's consider this line as a pole and this one as your ground level or level ground. This is right angle triangle. In the following situation, let's say this is a rope, this is your rope that is tied to the top. ऐसे लिखा था ना, if a 20-meter rope tied to at its top, तो obviously this is a rope that is stretched straight at an angle of 67 degrees. तो 67 डिग्री पे आपके पास रोप स्ट्रेच हो रही है उस पोल के टॉप से, एंड यू हैव बीन आस्क्ड टू फाइंड द हाइट ऑफ द पोल. सो इफ़ यू आर इंटरेस्टेड टू फाइंड द हाइट ऑफ द पोल, let's label this height with a variable x. This is our height of pole, and the length of the rope is 20 meter. So obviously length of the rope will be this 20 meter, क्योंकि ये आपके पास एक inclined है. This is your ground level. We have been asked to find this length. तो first of all अपनी labeling को complete करेंगे. The side that is opposite to the angle, this is opposite, this is our hypotenuse, and you have to make the relation between opposite and hypotenuse, that is sin theta. मतलब आप 100 अप्लाई कर लें. Opposite by hypotenuse. Opposite in the following case is x. Hypotenuse in the following case is 20 and sin 67. Simplify करेंगे. 20 in division has to be shifted into multiplication. तो 20 going to multiply by sin 67 is actually equivalent to x. इसको simplify कर लें. You will end up by finding the value of x. So 20 multiply by sin 67 comes out to be 18.41. 18.41 meters. So length of the height of the pole comes out to be this particular value. Hopefully आपने भी ऐसा ही करा होगा. You can have a look at the following condition from the very beginning. Okay भाई, last question for angle of elevation. Again, just read the condition, pause the video, try it your own, and simplify till the end, and then resume the video. Okay, giving you 4 to 5 minutes. Try it your own. Okay student, hopefully you have just tried the following condition at your own. Now let's check आपने ऐसे ही solve करा कि नहीं. The shadow cast by a stick at a certain time is 92 centimeter. Shadow की length 92 centimeter है, and if the stick is 60 centimeter long, what's the angle of elevation of the sun at that time? देखिए again वही वाली बात है कि let's assume this is your stick, and obviously when sun rays fall, अच्छा sun भी proper बनाते ना, when the sun rays fall on the falling stick, so obviously it definitely cast the shadow. जो भी इसका shadow cast होगा that is on the ground level, and this will be its shadow. And obviously angle of elevation is always from this point. मतलब अगर कोई भी person इस sun को observe करे from this point, so this angle right here will be actually your angle of elevation. इसी angle को angle of elevation consider करेंगे ना. In the following conditions, 60 centimeter is the length of the stick. This is your 60 centimeter, and 92 centimeter is the length of its shadow. If you are interested to find the falling angle, the side that is with the angle is actually your adjacent, and this is your opposite. तो अगर आप इसको solve कर लें, the relation that is between adjacent and opposite is simply tan theta. तो opposite by adjacent अप्लाई कर लेंगे. एंगल की इन द फॉलोइंग सिचुएशन तलाश है, ऑपोजिट और एडजेसेंट आपके पास है. 60 डिवाइडेड बाय 92. सो फाइनली फॉर फाइंडिंग द एंगल थीटा विल बी tan इनवर्स 60 डिवाइडेड बाय 92. एक ही स्टेप में सॉल्व कर लें कैलकुलेटर यूज़ करके. tan इनवर्स विल कम आफ्टर प्रेसिंग शिफ्ट देन tan थीटा. शिफ्ट और tan कैलकुलेटर में प्रेस करेंगे, then you will get tan inverse. So tan inverse 60 divided by 92 after simplification comes out to be 33.1 degrees. So this is your angle theta for the following situation. Hopefully I am clear for all of the following situation. Keep one thing in mind. Angle of elevation simply refers to whenever a person observes any of the object from ground level to upper height. Ground level is this one, upper height is this one. Person observe any of the object from ground level is this one, upper height is this one. So first of all, अगर examiner condition के बाद figure draw करके दे दे, आपकी ज़िंदगी बहुत आसान है, solve कर लेंगे. And if the condition is given to you in the form of wording, तो after reading that wording you have to draw the figure like this, draw the figure like this, draw the figure after reading like this. Hopefully I am clear up till here. Inshallah by next class we will discuss case for angle of depression. Thank you.